Dear student, today's topic is also square and square roots. Exercise 3E. Find the square root of a given number by division method. So, find the square root of 576. It is question number 1. By division method. Find the root over 576. That means find the square root of 576. So, first write here 576. From the right side, taking pair of digit 6, 7, then only one digit, no pair of digit is there, so only 5 is there. Now draw this line, put a line. Now start division. So here divide this 5. There is table is 1 1 0 1. By using the table 1 1 0 1, 2 2 0 4, 3 3 0 9, 4 4 0 16, 5 5 0 25, like this. So 5 is there. So 1 1 0 1, 2 2 0 4, 3 3 0 9 is more than 5. So 2 2 0 4. Now 5 minus 4, 1. Then write here 7 and 6, pair of digit, not a single digit, pair of digit, 76. Now this line. Now here, now we divide this number by the divisor. Now choose the divisor. The process is multiply this number by 2. So 2 into 2, 4 here. Whatever may be the number here, multiply this number by 2 and write here. Now choose a number here such that and multiply this number by the same number. So if I write here 4, then multiply, it is 44, then multiply this number by 4. If we multiply this number by 4, then it is 176. 44 into 4, 176. So division complete, and this 4 is right here. So 500 root of 576, root over 576 equal to 24. So root over 576 equal to 24. Here it is 24. One more, 6241. In the same process, 6241. Choose the pair of digit from the right side, first pair, second pair. Now start division. Put this line here, and it is 62. 1 1 0 1, 2 2 0 4, 3 3 0 9, 4 4 0 16, 5 5 0 25, 6 6 0 36, 7 7 0 49, and 8 into 8, 64. 64 is more than 62. So 7 into 7, 41. 7 7 0 49. Now subtract. It is 3 and 1 and 41. Right here, these two pair of digit comes down. Now divisor. So there is 7. So multiply this 7 by 2. It is 14. Now put a number here and multiply this number by the same digit. So write 9. So it is 149. Multiply this number by 9. So 149 into 9, 1341. And this 9, right, also here. So square root of this 6241 equal to 79. So equal to 79. One more, 14,161. So 14,161. This is the first pair, second pair, and there is no pair, only one. So put this line. First divide this one. So 1 1 0 1. Now remainder 0. Now this 41 comes here, right here, and put this line, and the divisor is 1 into 2. This 1 multiply by 2, it is 2. So 1, if you write 1, then it is 21, multiply by 1, 21. If you want to write 2, then 2 into 2 and 2, 22, multiply by 2, it is 44, more than 41. So write 1, 21, and there is also 1, so it is 21. Now 41 minus 21 equal to 20, and this 61, pair of digit right here, 61. Now the divisor is, again multiply this 11 by 2, it is 22. Now select any one number, one digit, then multiply this total number by the same digit. So now choose 9, and when we multiply this 229 by 9, then we get 2061. Now it is 0. Now this 9 also right here, 119. So square root of 14,161 is equal to 119. So it is equal to 119. One more. 17,956. So right here, 17,956. Now from the right side, choose the pair of digit, first pair of digit, second pair of digit. Divide this 1, only 1 is there. So divide it 1, 1 0, 1. Then this 79, remainder 0, 1 minus 1 0. No need to write 0. Now 79 right here. And the divisor is 1 into 2. Multiply this number by 2. It is 2. Now 3. Now 23 into 3, 23 into 3, 69. So 79 minus 69, it is 10, 1 0, 10, and then this pair of digit 56 right here. Now multiply this 13 by 2, it is 26, and then write here 4. So multiply this 264 by 4, then it is 1056. Now this 4 also right here. So square root of 17,956 equal to 134. So right here equal to 134. Now question number 14. What must be subtracted from the given number to get a perfect square number? So given number is equal to 7,581. So first find the square root of this number by the division method. So 75, pair of digit is 81 and 75. So 8 8 is 64, and after subtraction 11, then 81 comes here, and 8 into 2 16, and multiply this 176, write 7 here. So 167 multiplied by 7, 1169, and remainder is 12. So it is not a perfect square number. So 12 must be subtracted. If we subtract 12, this remainder, from this number, then we get a perfect square number. So 12 must be subtracted from 7,581 to get a perfect square number. The required perfect square number is equal to this given number minus 12. So 7,581 minus 12 equal to 7,569. So the square root of the number after subtracting, that is square root of the new number, that means square root of the number after subtraction 12, equal to 87. Next, question number 16. The given number is equal to 8,400. So here in question number 16, the question is, find the least number which must be added to 8,400 to obtain a perfect square number. Obtained. So 8,000, given number is 8,400. So first try to find the square root of this number. So by division method, so 9 9s are 81 minus 84 minus 81 equal to 3, and this 2 0 comes here. Now 9 into 2 18, and if we multiply right here 2, then 182 multiplied by 2, it is more than 300. That is why write 1, and 181 multiplied by 1, that is 181, and also write 1. Then after subtraction, remainder is 119. So this given number is in between 91 square and 92 square. 91 square less than 8400, this number less than 92 square. So least number to be added equal to 92 square minus this number, that is equal to 64. So required square number is this. So and the square root of this number equal to 92. Next, question number 17. Find the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number obtained. Least number of 4 digits. So this is the least number of 4 digits. Now find the square root. Try to find the square root by division method. So remainder is 39 and this is 31. So this number is in between 31 square and 32 square. 31 square less than 1000 less than 32 square. So least number to be added equal to 32 square minus 1000, that is equal to 24. So the required number equal to 1000 plus 24. That means after adding 24 with the least number of 4 digits, it is a perfect square number. So 1024 is a perfect square number and its square root equal to 32. One more. Question number 18. Find the greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square. So this is the greatest number of 5 digits, but it is not a perfect square because after division, pair of digit. So divide this 9, 3 3s are 9, then no remainder, 0 is remainder, then 99 comes here, 2 into 3 6, then write, if we write 2 here, then it is 62. 62 into 2 more than 99, so write 1. 61 into 1 61, then 38. 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 6 3. Now this pair of digit 9 and 9 right here, then 31 into 2 62, and write 6 here, it is 3756. That means 626 into 6 equal to 3756. Then after subtraction, it is the remainder. Then this number, this greatest number of 5 digits is in between 316 square and 317 square. Now the greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square is equal to this number minus 143 remainder. If we subtract this remainder, then we get a perfect square number. So this is the greatest number of 5 digits, but which is not a perfect square number. So after subtraction of this number, this is a perfect square number. So greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square is equal to this number by 143, that is equal to 99,856, and square root of this number equal to 316. Thank you.